Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet M521dn printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. Properties are open. After that, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also very easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome or any web browser, in a search type HP LaserJet M521dn printer driver, download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of our HP printer. Open that link. An official website of HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name HP LaserJet Pro MFP M521dn, and here we find our operating system. If your operating system or PT is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Here select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the updates, and this page or box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and driver product installation software is not expand, then expand it. Go to here full driver or recommended driver or basic driver. I go to the full driver software and driver and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another official website of the HP printer, and at the top here we find our download is started, and it's take few minutes to completely download these drivers on our PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for few minutes. Our download is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this setup file first. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracting or the unzipping the files on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on this unzip folder, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. If you find port name .4_001 HP printer device, HP or HP printer, then select that port. If you not find that kind of any port, then select USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB and click on the next. Click on Have Disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on any folder that you want. Any unzip folder. Click on our unzip folder, double click on it, and here we find many files. All files contain same drivers. Select any file. I select Atron. You can select any file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find HP LaserJet Pro MFP M521 PCL6. This printer include our printer M521dn. Okay, select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give DN. I give HP LaserJet Pro MFP M521dn and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for less than 1 minute to completely install this printer on our PC or laptop. Wait for few minutes. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option, I don't. So I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet Pro MFP M521dn, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.